It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Thursday, August the 30th. I'm Michael Groff. A bit of surface moisture has snuck into the southern half of the state overnight. What does that mean for today and especially the upcoming holiday weekend? Do we have a chance of showers and storms coming back into the picture? Or will we stay dry? And is this nearing the end of the monsoon? Let's talk about it. First, as we look at the almanac from yesterday, 106 degrees the high in the valley, 80 for the morning low. And outside right now, you see some haze on the cam there looking towards South Mountain and overlooking the valley. And that's because we had some outflow boundaries coming northward from distant thunderstorms across northern Mexico last night. And they've generated some light breezes and some blowing dust overnight. Outside right now, here at the insane hour of 4:45 a.m., we've got partly cloudy skies in the valley. And we begin this day at 84 degrees at Sky Harbor. The dew point up to 64. Relative humidity 52%. Winds are from the east-southeast. And the barometer is steady. Temperatures across south central Arizona this morning because of the added clouds and moisture overnight. Most of us stayed in the 80s. Quick check of the radar this morning. A few showers and thunderstorms still going on near the southern border of the state, near Nogales, Sierra Vista, Bisbee, mainly south of Interstate 10, well to the south and east of Tucson. The upper look across the country, the main belt of westerlies to the north of Arizona, troughs have helped to keep our subtropical ridge suppressed and a mainly dry southwesterly flow aloft, but there's a little MCV. Let me just draw it on here. And you can see that's just near Nogales this morning. That's helped to keep the showers and storms going through the overnight and early morning hours. Watch warning map across the country. There's still fire weather watches and red flag warnings here across much of the western United States. Very dry conditions continue. Severe weather outlook for today, a marginal risk, parts of Virginia as well as from Kansas City northward toward Minneapolis, St. Paul. And rainfall for the next 7 days coming from the WPC. They've got amounts around 1/10 of an inch here in the valley. Heavier totals to the east and south of us. But this map really difficult to draw right now because the forecast is just littered with uncertainty. We'll try to break it all down for you, though, as we take a look at the models right now. Get into it. Here's the GFS. This is the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. And we have upper ridging to our east and south and a little weak upper low spinning south of the valley this morning. As a result, down at the surface, partly cloudy skies today. High temperatures between 103 and 106. It'll be muggy this morning, but most of that moisture will mix out and dew points will drop off this afternoon. Tonight, partly cloudy skies and a slight chance of a shower or storm over eastern, southeast Arizona. For us here in the valley, I don't think we're going to see any storms. They may get as close as southwest Maricopa County. A couple of the high-res models have even tried to bring a few storms into the valley today and tonight, but I just don't see that happening. The mid and upper levels are too dry. Lows tonight will mainly be in the mid-70s to mid-80s. Tomorrow, ridging will start to split or bifurcate with one center moving to the east, another center moving well to the west, and the troughing to our north begins to sag southward and sort of fill in the gap. And so moisture begins to get drawn northward. How much moisture? How far north and west does it get across our state? That's going to be the big question for the upcoming weekend. But I'll just pencil in a very small chance that we see some blowing dust or maybe a thunderstorm tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow night here in the valley. High temperatures, again, between about 103 and 106. All right, for the Labor Day weekend, Saturday, partly cloudy, slight chance of a late afternoon or evening shower or storm. The GFS, still the driest of the global model solutions, but it has trended a little wetter in recent runs, even trending a bit toward the European solution of forming a closed low over Arizona. Now, if that happens to verify, Saturday could be a pretty active day, kind of interesting, with a chance of showers and storms. Maybe a few of those get on the strong side with the potential of damaging wind. Highs Saturday about 100 to 103 with partly sunny skies. Sunday, partly sunny. Slight chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs 99 to 102. By Monday, Labor Day, the models continue to diverge here. The GFS drying us out. The European keeps us pretty active with a chance of showers and storms going. For now, we'll keep a slight chance of showers and storms in the forecast for both Labor Day and Tuesday, with high temperatures somewhere between the upper 90s and about 103. Then Wednesday, the global models kind of dry us out in general, so we'll go with mostly sunny, lower humidities, highs 100 to 103. And then a week from today, this is Thursday, the 6th of September. The dry weather continues, westerly flow aloft. High temperatures 100 to 104. Same thing for Friday, the 7th. And then here's the end of the forecast period. This is Saturday, the 8th of September. Still looks like a dry westerly flow. The monsoon out of here for the time being, maybe for good. We'll have to see about that. And high temperatures still around average for early September, mostly upper 90s to near 103. Let's check the temperatures through the period coming off of the GFS ensemble. It's got high temperatures more or less within a couple of degrees of normal every day from now all the way out through the next couple of weeks. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Otherwise, be safe, stay cool, drink plenty of water as always, and you guys have yourselves a great Thursday.